Peace and grand rising to the Moors. Writ of acceptance of removal to the Moorish American Consular Court, the Moorish American Consular Court Article 3 Allodial Invoice, and the Moorish American Consular Court Article 3 Remittance Recorde. Moorish American Consular Court competent jurisdiction pursuant to P.L.8
Moorish American Consular Court competent jurisdiction pursuant to P.L.8 Statute 484. Moorish National Republic Federal Government, Northeast East Amexem, Territories and Dominions, and unincorporated Moorish Science Temple for America, the true and dejure natural heirs and inheritors to the land. I self-law and master. The Moorish American Consular Court, Article 3, Acceptance of Removal, International Document, Quo until mandamus restitutio mittimus, notice to the principals, notice to the agent is notice to the principal. Place on the record, for the record, and let the record show, available at the Google Drive link is on the screen. Moorish American Consular Court record case number Mahat Kaba plus a vizier plus 999 plus 2025-0321 for the Corporation of Adult Matters of the Toronto Case Management Courts of the Ontario Court of Justice of the Ontario Superior Court of Justice Corporation. Moorish American National, Anajal Mahatkabade, care of Ankh Triumphant L, Canaanland Territory, Northeast Amexem, Morocco, X-Relation 29 Divyne Avenue, Unit 313, Toronto, Ontario, phone number 647-702-1916, email tedosia@protonmail.com, tracking number of acceptance 959094 0287954005521039 and 95890710520470435559 and 9590940287954005 521022 and 9589071052702470043634. Adult matters of the Toronto Case Management Courts of the Ontario Court of Justice of the Ontario Superior Court of Justice Corporation, care of 10 Armory Street, near Toronto, Ontario, Canaanland, Amexem. Fraudulent bill of attainder, foreign bill of exchange, contract case number. First number 4688068 and 4810998245000199 and 481099824500195902 and 481099824500195903 and any and all attachments associated thereto. Removal to the Moorish American Consular Court has been granted. All evidence removed is subject to indictment by the Moorish American Grand Jury for lack of personam jurisdiction.
2047043634.
Chronos, 21st day of the month of March in the year of the Lord's 1446, 2025, March 21st, Gregorian calendar, at 10 Antemeridium Eastern Time. Moorish American New Year, Grand Rising to the Ancient Moors, gratitude and peace. Writ Aldebaran, Magnus Orientem, constellation. This international affidavit of truth is a declaration of national standing and a published reclamation of a state at law. All rise and remain standing in perpetuity, in accordance with the ancient laws as stated by this Holy Congress, cosmic progression of the sunset era. This is a sovereign, living, ancient, universal, Moroccan, Moorish American Constitution for the United States, 1789, Article 3 Court Action. We are the sovereign, living Chief Justice and Judge Joseph Saunders, in proper persona and sur juris in proper solo, in proper hereby and capitis diminutum nolo in red ink. My free chosen national appellations and Jumahad Kabade in proper persona, sur juris in proper solo and proper hereby in capitis diminutum nolo in red ink. I and all Moors are the true and dejure heirs for all land, all natural resources, all commerce, and all systems. All Moors are the original indigenous sovereign, ancient Moroccan Moorish American descendants of the great pharaohs of Kemet and of the ancient Moabites and Canaanites. We are part and parcel of the sacred land, sacred blood, and sacred breath. The ancient Moors, Iroquois, Lamu Highlands, Kahiri, Tabaco, Exmaica, Los Martes, Gala, and all natural, living, divine, original, indigenous, universal, sovereign, ancient nations, matriarchs and nobles. We are the treaties of peace. Our full faith and trust, our allegiance, our credit, and our energy is hereby vested in ourselves, for we are the people. We are the natural, living, divine, original, indigenous, universal, sovereign, ancient, Empire State of Morocco, and de jure Moorish National Republic Federal Government, Washington District for Columbia, the Universal Moorish American Consulate, and the Article 3 Moorish American Consular Court. We are the Clique Capus and Corpus Juris Legalis, which is our statement that we are the lawful and legal natural head and body for our empire. We are the most ancient sovereign court both at heaven and at earth, Nuvivo. All Moors are the rightful, lawful title executors, ministers, heirs, trustees, claimants, beneficiaries, and possessors of the universal vast estate trust of our own vast estate. We are peace, we are one nation, we are one state, we are one empire, we are one God. We recognize ourselves and hereby accept our sovereign ascension, issue a sovereign creditor's bill for possession, 9/10 of the law, in custody, 1/10 of law, over all judgment debtors. All exchanges in universal commerce shall be made gold and silver, and we hereby exercise all sovereign rights at this time, at all points of time, none pro tunc.
We will restore thy chief justices
Dominus,
at
sovereign,
first,
Ilera.
councils as at
We will turn our hand upon thee,
afterwards thou shalt be
and
called
purely
the land of
purge away thy
righteousness,
dross,
the faithful
and take away thy
Territorie.
tin.
Isaiah 1,
We will restore thy chief
25,
justices as at the first,
26.
and the consuls
Ancient
as
Canaanland
at the
Territorie,
beginning.
Northeast
Afterwards thou
Arkansas,
shalt be called the land of righteousness,
whereas
the faithful
on
territory.
March 9th,
Isaiah 25
1933,
and Isaiah
U.S.
1:25
passed the
and
Emergency
1:26.
Banking Act. On June
Ancient
5th,
Canaanland Territory,
1933,
northeast of
U.S.
Amexem,
President
Morocco,
Roosevelt
Earth.
announced to the 73rd
Whereas,
that United
on March
States of
9,
America
1933,
was
the U.S.
by
Congress
ipso
passed the
facto
Emergency
termination on
Banking
bankruptcy
Act.
of all presumed
On June
debtor
5,
contracts,
1933,
according to which the insolvency of a party
U.S.
automatically
President
terminates the
Roosevelt
contract.
announced
Practical
to the
Standard
73rd Congress that the United States of America was bankrupt. By
1-381-3321
ipso facto
is enforced
termination
with
on
prejudice
bankruptcy
now
of all
for them.
presumed debtor contracts, according
All
to
debt
which the insolvency of a
the
party
bankrupt United
automatically
States of America
terminates.
Corporation Company, and all heirs, assigns, principal agents, and any and all derivatives thereof, to include government of, state of, province
Okay, no
of,
problem.
subdivision, United Kingdom, Canada, Ontario, Ottawa,
Go this way.
Toronto, and the U.S. Federal Reserve, which includes all U.S. Federal Reserve debt notes, Bank of England debt notes, Bank of Canada debt notes, Canadian dollar, sterling pounds, financial regulatory, financial supervisory, financial stability, risk policy, monetary policy, finance commissions, market infrastructure, finance ministries, central banks, United Nations, and all heirs, assigns, principals, agents, and any and all derivatives thereof are void and null, none pro tunc. In honor by bloodline and birthright, we, the sovereign, living, original, indigenous, natural, divine, flesh and blood, sentient people, are of the land, by the land, and on the land, being the true and de jure heirs for the Moroccan Empire, United States for America, hereby state. Notice to the principal is notice to the agent. Notice the agent is notice to the principal. Return and release all Moroccan Empire property, all land. See Exhibit 9, Notification for Acceptance, Certificate of Service. One large white shirt with buttons. MACEN plus MA plus 999 plus 999 025 Moorish ID identification card and Jill Tadosha Saunders property, Exhibit C. MAC plus MA plus 999 plus 999 025A Federal Driver's License Card and Jill Tadosha Saunders property, Exhibit D. MAC plus MA plus 999 plus 999 plus 025B United States Postmaster General Card and Jill Tadosha Saunders, Exhibit E. SMAB plus cause plus 999 plus 999 plus 025A Federal Driver's License Card, Sharon Diane Matthews, Exhibit F. SMAB plus cause plus 999 plus 999 plus 025B United States Postmaster General Card, Sharon Diane Matthews, Exhibit G. MAC MACN plus MA plus, this one is a little off. This would be Ali Bay plus AL. Let us review here. Ali Bay plus AL plus 999 plus 999 025A Federal Driver's License Card, Alton Clifton, Sutherland, Exhibit H. And then Ali Bay plus AL plus 999 plus 999 0.025B United States Postmaster General Card, Alton Clifton, Sutherland, Exhibit I. Moroccan Moorish National Republic Federal Government living property of Crystal Casa du Soleil Estate, ex-relation 30 High Point Road, North York, Ontario, M3C 2R3, parcel 10540 plus 0012 LT and 1908081910000700 Exhibit J, Notification for Acceptance, Certificate of Service. Crystal Casa du Soleil Estate, ex-relation 24 High Point Road, North York, Ontario, M3C 2R3, parcel 908081910000750, Exhibit K, Notification for Acceptance, Certificate of Service, and all others. Since time immemorial into perpetuity, non pro tonque. Strike from the record. Strike from the record contract case number Ali Bay ETAL 468068, Toronto Police Service Corporation, Exhibit L. Strike from the record contract case number 4810998245001959, Ontario Superior Court of Justice Corporation, Ontario Solicitor General Corporation, Milton Vanny Centre for Women Adult Corporation, Exhibit M. Strike from the record contract case number 481099824500195902, Ontario Superior Court of Justice Corporation, Ontario Solicitor General Corporation, Milton Vanny Centre for Women Adult Corporation, Exhibit N. Strike from the record contract case number 481099824500195903, Ontario Superior Court of Justice Corporation, Toronto Police Service Corporation, Exhibit O, and any and all attachments associated thereto, non pro tonque. So, settle the debts for damages owed to Moorish National Republic Federal Government and the Canaanland Territory, Canada Jurisdiction Tax and Revenue Office. Northeast Amexem, Territorie and Dominions, the Moorish American Consular Court, Article 3, Allodial Invoice and Remittance Recorde, United States for America, Corporation Company Debtors, Expert R. Notification for Acceptance, Certificate of Service, Cause of Action, Universal Commercial Code 1, Office of the Ontario Solicitor General, and Social Security number 503-635-096, and others. Mahatkaba plus Vizier plus 999 plus 999 plus 099, Expert P, non-proton. Notification. All locations are ancient land location. All addresses are living corporate situ trust addresses. Filed 2025, March 21st, a.m. 5 a.m. Canaanland Kahira Republic Supreme Court, Canaanland Territory Court Clerk Office, and sealed. All sovereign, original, indigenous, ancient, divyne Moorish American autographs affirming this, and all sovereign, original, indigenous, ancient, empire state for Morocco, and all dejure Moorish National Republic federal government documents are self-executing. On the public record at North America, ancient Morocco, Northwest Amexem, Northwest Africa, the North Gate, Temple of the Moon and the Sun, Earth. I, Angel Mahakabade, sovereign justice, stand squarely, Allah. Cronus time immemorial into perpetuity, Angel Tadosha Saunders, Ego Sum. I am Angel Tadosha Saunders, Moorish American National, Sovereign Chief Justice, Fiduciary, Consul, Attorney with Facts, Minister, Vizier for United States for America. In proper persona, in surgeris, in proper solo, in proper herdes, in capitis diminutionnolo, in red ink. My free chosen national appellation is Angel Mahakabade, in proper persona, in surgeris, in proper solo, in proper herdes, in capitis diminutionnolo, in red ink. White status, just sanguinis, just soli, just gentium. Omnia aurea reservirtes, Universal Commercial Code 1-207 and 1-308, Universal Commercial Code 1-103, all sovereign rights perfected at all times, non-protunc. Notice to the principals, notice to agent, notice to agent is notice to the principal. Sovereign creditor. Empire State of Morocco, United States for North America, Moorish National Republic Federal Government, Moorish Divyne and National Movement for the Earth, Article 3, de jure, Universal, Canaanland Territory, Consulate. Care of 29 Louvain Avenue, Unit 313 near Toronto, Ontario, Land of Living Water, Ancient Canaanland Territory, Northeast Amexem, Kemet, Morocco, Earth. Universal Natural Error Code 8CMPWQ89CG, latitude and longitude 43.662552 and minus 79.336922. Email tadosha@protonmail.com. Yes. And here we are at the Moorish American Consular Court, Article 3, Allodial Invoice, placed upon the public record for the record and let the record show, international document. United States Post Office certified receipt tracking number of acceptance, 9590940287954005521039 and 958907102047043559 and 9590940287954005521022 and 9587071052702047043634. Chronos, the 21st day of the month of March, in the year of the Lord's Grand Rising, which is Almors, 1446. 2025, March 21st, Gregorian calendar, at 10 antemeridian, Eastern time. Moorish American New Year. Grand Rising to the ancient Moors, gratitude and peace. Mahut Aldebaran Magnus Orientem constellation. All rise and stand. This is a sovereign, living, ancient Moorish American Moroccan Article 3 Consular Court action under sovereign, living justice Angel Mahakabade in capitis divinito nolo in red ink, in proper sono, in surgeris in proper solo, and in proper HEIRS. I and all Moors are the ascendants of the ancient Moabites and Canaanites and the great pharaohs of Kemet. Our full faith and trust, our credit is in the people, or the sovereign, original, indigenous, natural, divine, living, ancient, dejure, Moorish National Republic Federal Government, Moorish American Consulate, and the Moorish American Consular Court. We are peace. We are one state. We are one God. We are one nation. Non pro tunc. The following damages are claimed against you, plural, with all other additional persons involved and attached to this conclusive action under color of law in misrepresented instruments, bills of attainment, foreign bills of exchange, contract case number 4680868 and 4810998245001959 and 481099824500195902 and 481098245000195903 and any and all attachments associated. Damages. Supreme Court judgment, $78,000 with 10% interest at 2002780.00. Conspiracy against rights, 18 UCU Universal USC 241 is, the cost is 2000000.00. Deprivation of treaty rights under color of law, 18 USC 242, the cost is 2000000.00. Trespassing, one, cost is 1000000.00. Denationalization under black codes, the cost is 2000000.00. Fraud in the inducement, 1, the cost is 1000000.00. Consular assistance, the cost is 28,000.00. Miscellaneous expenses, mailing, paper, ink, traveling, etc. Cost is 3,000.00. Principal total, $31,008,880. Payable in lawful money of Troy 24 karat pure gold and 0.9999 fine silver and sovereigns, nobles, and bullions, and lawful tender, United States dollars, and more sovereign dolarum gold receipts due forthwith. All payments in settlement that you, plural, received from the 2024 December 15th at 2 post meridian to the time of release on 2025 January 20th at 12 post meridian are retroactively retracted by seizure, settlement levy, for each violation and infraction for each person that worked billable employee hours during the period of our detention. All fees that is owed to the land of Canaanland Territory, Canada Tax and Revenue Office, in gold, United States dollars, Swiss francs for all Moorish American National Trusts pursuant to Universal Commercial Cold Lien Affidavit, Mahat Kaba plus Vizier plus 999 plus 999 plus 099 dated 2025 March 21st, and the Moorish estate of Angel Theodosia Saunders and Sunflower Trust, Express Trust, are due immediately without delay, non pro tunc. All laws subject to updating according to the living will for the people. Payment is due 15 days. Upon receipt, please make all instruments payable to Angel Theodosia Saunders, Moorish American National, original creditor, improper persona, sur juris, improper solo, improper herdes, in capis diminutio nolo, and in red ink. Empire State of Morocco, United States for North America, Moorish National Republic Federal Government, Moorish Divine and National Movement for the Earth, Article 3, dejure universal, Canaanland Territorie Consulate, care of 29 Louvain Avenue, Unit 313, near Toronto, Ontario. So, divinely prepared by supreme judicial members of the above stated supreme government nation for the Moroccan Empire, Northwest Amexem. Islam, I self-law and master. All sovereign, original, indigenous, divyne, Moorish American autographs affirming this and all sovereign, original, indigenous, ancient Empire State of Morocco and all de jure Moorish National Republic Federal Government documents are self-executing. On the public record at North American, Ancient Morocco, Northwest Amexem, Northwest Africa, the North Gate, Temple of the Moon and the Sun, Earth. Chronos, time immemorial in perpetuity. I am Angel Theodosia Saunders, Moorish American National. Sovereign Chief Justice, Fiduciary, Consul, Attorney with Facts, Minister, Vizier for United States for America. Islam. The next writ is the Moorish American Consular Court, Article 3, Remittance Recorde. Place upon the record, for the record and let the record show, international document, United States Postal Office, certified receipt tracking number of acceptance. Islam. Chronos, 21st day of the month of March, in the year of the Lord, 1445. 2025, March 21st, Gregorian calendar. All rise and stand. This is a sovereign living ancient Moorish American Moroccan Article 3 Consular Court action. I am the sovereign living justice, Angel Mahakavade, in capitis diminutio nolo in red ink, improper persona and sur juris, improper solo, improper herdes. I and all Moors are the descendants of the ancient Moabites and ancient Canaanites and the great pharaohs of Kemet. Our full faith and trust and our credit and our energies in the people who are the sovereign, original, indigenous, natural, divine, living, ancient, de jure, Moorish National Republic Federal Government, Moorish American Consulate, and the Moorish American Consular Court. 1. This as statement is not taxed. The United States has full ownership. 6. United States Code 211 established customs includes gold coins, silver coins, and nationally autographed Moorish sovereign dolarum gold receipts, and nationally endorsed fiduciary money for all money exchanges at all times. This United States General Service Bond number for Safeway is Mahatkaba plus Vizier plus 999 plus 20250321. Account cause of action Mahatkaba plus Vizier plus 999 plus 999 plus 099. Allocation number 20250321. Purpose of the allocation. Article 3, Allodial Invoice multiplied by 1500, 1500 debtors. Sender, original creditor, trustor, fiduciary, attorney with facts. United States, a federal company owned by the people who are the United States for America. Mailing location 29 Louvain Avenue, Unit 313, City, State, Toronto, Canada. Number 3, remittance amount 46513170000.00 more sovereign alarm, United States dollars. Remittance fees 0. Remittance taxes 0. Total remittance net amount 46513170000.00 more sovereign alarm, United States dollars. Remittance rate 1 United States dollars to 1 more sovereign alarm. Total remittance amount in the alarm. Recipient has received full amount 100% of this remittance for 46,513,170,000 delirium dollars. This affidavit is authorized and authenticated and is true and correct. This affidavit will serve as proof of payment. This is performance. Recipient autograph Angela Tadosha Saunders, Sunflower Trust Estate, fiduciary, trustee, attorney in fact, authorized representative, original creditor and banker Angela Tadosha Saunders. State printed name Angela Tadosha Saunders. District or city, county, and state. Document signed, Canada, Judicial District, Kings County, Washington. Date for this action, date for this remittance, 2025, March 21st. In honor, we, the divine sovereign beings, affirm that we are the sovereign, natural, and divine beings herein proclaimed, in capacity minuto nolo, in propria persona, in surgeris, in propria solo, and in propria heredies, and affirm by lawful birthright, being lawfully universally qualified and competent to affirm this document. We therefore place our sovereign hands and seals hereto and in favor of all Moorish American nationals. Allah. Received, paid in full.
Chronos, 21st day of the month of March, in the year of the Lord's Grand Rising, 1446, 2025, March 21st, Gregorian calendar, at 10 Antemeridian, Moorish American New Year, Grand Rising to the ancient Moors, gratitude and peace, Mut Aldebaran, Magna Orientem consolation. This Chief Justice stands as supreme law for the land. Islam, I self-law am master.